Hello. Welcome to another video by me, the presenter. Today's video is going to be fairly easy and basic. I'm not going to lie. You should know all of this stuff by now. It's all about emails. Emails are awesome. I'm a bit of a fan, but we need to know the skills of proper emails. We need to know how to send, receive, forward, and attach different documents to those emails. So I have no doubt that you've done all of these things in the past, and if you have, that's cool. Just enjoy the ride. Sweet, let's get into it, eh? Alright, so this is my inbox. As you can see, I'm a pretty popular dude. I have one email from Ange, and its title here is, "Hey presenter, this is an email." That's pretty informative. That's a good title for it because she's absolutely correct. So to open it, you just click it, and it opens up the email over here. Nice and easy. So I can read the text. This is where the email words go. That's true. So that's how you open an email. Nice and easy. Now, I'm running on Outlook, on Office 365. You might be running on Hotmail or Gmail or anything really. There's so many email services out there, but they're all fairly similar in how they work. They all allow you to open, receive emails, send them, forward them, and attach links and documents to them. And it's all pretty easy to see how to do that on every system. They're all fairly similar in how they work, but they all look kind of different. Okay, now, what happens if I want to reply to this email? If I want to reply, I can either automatically reply all, or I can click down and reply, and that brings up my box that I can type words into. So I can write a reply. "Thank you for that. It is much appreciated. Cheers, the presenter." That's a pretty good reply, I think. Now, let's say I wanted to add an attachment to this email. What I would do is I would just look for the little paperclip. In most email services, the little paperclip means attach, and I'd click it. And I will look for the file on my computer, and that opens up my navigation. Let's attach a picture, right? We will attach a picture of Spider-Man, and I'll attach it as a copy. So now I have that attached. Easy. If I wanted to get really creative, what I could do is I could also insert an image or sometimes even a video into the text box here. To do that, I just go onto the insert pictures inline. I might find one on my desktop. There. So now I have an attachment and a picture. Awesome. And then I would just go ahead and hit send, and that would send the email. Cool? So that would be how you reply to someone's email. Now, let's have a look if we wanted to send an entirely new email, an email that wasn't a reply. What I would do is I would look for the button that says new, okay, email message. And that will bring this box here up. So we've got two. We just write someone's name in, okay, so we might chuck in my name. My real name isn't actually the presenter. I can carbon copy people in, okay, so they'll also get the email. Add a subject to your email, so that could be example email. Then I can write in a little bit of text. See, text. I wrote in some text. Hello. And from there what we can do is play with some, basic text formatting options. So, size. You can bold it, italics, underline, change the color of the font, highlight the thing. So just play around with that on your email. And then what I would do is I would just go ahead and send it. Sussed. Sending emails is easy. And again with that you can pop in pictures and links and attach things. Some email systems you can put in little emojis. So that makes me pretty happy. So I'm going to do a little happy emoji. That's pretty cool. Ridiculous, but cool. Now, let's say I received an email from somebody and I wanted to forward that email to somebody else so that they could read it or that they could have that information. Well, that's pretty easy too. All we do is open up the email that we want to forward and we click down on the reply tab and we just find forward. And that brings up an email tab again, so we can write a little message. So we would say who it's to, carbon copy someone in there, write a little message. So little message, get it? I wrote a little message. Hey-oh. And at the bottom we can see that the original email is there. Then we just go ahead and hit send. And that's how you forward an email. Easy. That's nice and easy, emails. Simple. It's easy to receive them, send them, forward them, reply to them. It's easy to attach a range of different documents. I attached a picture, but you could also attach a Word document. That Word document could be like a table or a letter or policy, anything. You can attach Excel spreadsheets. You can attach publisher documents. You can attach nearly everything. A lot of email services have size restrictions though. So they might say, well, your attachment can't be over 50 megabytes or 100 megabytes. So if what you're wanting to attach is a little too big, you might want to find some other way of getting it to the person, such as using a Dropbox or some sort of SharePoint, okay? All of those services exist. Email is for really simple sending and receiving of data when you're using attachments. So, yeah. For your project and for your qualification, the emails that you want to send, make sure that they're appropriate, guys. Use polite language. You don't have to be super formal, but you want to be professional, alright? Try and cut down on the spelling mistakes. Just double check, be careful. You don't want to be seen as, unprofessional or anything like that. So must just make sure that you're being appropriate with your emails. You're in level 3, so I trust that you will be appropriate with your emails. You know what's expected of you. So I trust you. Sweet. Have fun, guys.